Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. In today's video, I am going to share with you yet another recipe using pineapple. Today I am going to share with you recipe of pineapple fried rice that is easy to make. Even you can prepare this with leftover rice. Watch the video till the end without skipping for the best result. First we are going to prepare the rice. I am taking here 1 cup of basmati rice. You can take any regular rice of your choice. Wash the rice 2 to 3 times with the clean water so the excess starch will remove. After washing the rice, soak it for about 10-5 minutes. Into the saucepan, add 4 cups of water and let the water boil. Once the water boils, add the soaked rice, but before adding the rice into the water, remove the water in which the rice is soaked. Alternatively, you can use the leftover rice to prepare this recipe and totally skip that step and move to the next step. After adding the rice, stir it only one time and then the heat is on medium flame while cooking the rice, and you have to stir it one more time when the first boil came, so do not over stir it, otherwise the grain break. After 3 minutes, you will notice the rice grain is big in size as you have noticed in the video. Use the spoon to check the rice. We have to cook the rice 80% only. Take one grain of the rice and press it in between your finger. When it is break and you will feel it has slightly uncooked, that means that is a perfect stage. You have to switch off the gas. So I am going to switch off the gas at this point. And here I have already set one strainer, and now strain the rice onto the strainer carefully. It is very hot, and now quickly spread it so that it won't overcook. Now remove the excess water. I have kept one bowl and there is the excess water. If you are not removing this water, the rice keep cooking. So remove it and let it cool down slightly, and then I will show you. For next step, here I have chopped some vegetables. You can take vegetable of your choice. Now take a heavy bottom pan or a wok. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any cooking oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add chopped garlic and the heat is on low flame. Cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes until the garlic infuse into the oil. Basically, we need to get the aroma of the garlic into the oil. Stir it. After few minutes, add chopped onions. After adding the onions, the heat is on high flame because fried rice cooked on the high flame and have slight crunch in the vegetable. After 1 minute, add the hard vegetables like carrot. I have added. Stir it for about couple of seconds. Then add the frozen peas, green chilies. These are totally optional. Stir it for about couple of seconds. Then add red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and then quickly stir it about 30 seconds and look at the color. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt, and quickly stir it for about a minute. And then add the cooked rice. You can see each and every grain is separated with each other. So if you are following the step, you will get the perfect rice, and with a very light hand mix the rice with the cooked vegetables. Do not overmix the vegetables, otherwise the rice starts breaking. At this point, add half teaspoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of soya sauce. Stir with a very light hand one more time. After adding the vinegar and soya sauce, here I have taken 1 cup of fresh chopped pineapples. Add into the fried rice and with a very light hand mix it. Pineapple give us sweet and sour taste into the recipe. After mixing, switch off the gas and the pineapple fried rice is ready to serve. You can serve with any side dish of your choice or you can serve as is. To prepare pineapple rice, you can even use the leftover rice, and if you are cooking the fresh rice, then put it into the refrigerator for 10-15 minutes. You can use any vegetable of your choice and you will get the perfect fried rice if you follow 2-3 steps as I have mentioned in the video. Hope you like this easy recipe of pineapple fried rice, and if you have ever tried this recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.